So hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel again. So for today's video, I am going to show you and tell you some tips. So why is it important to buy this one always? So let's start. So I always buy this one werewolf shard. As you can see, I already boxed this one, but I still keep on buying. The shard as long as it costs silver. It's because of this reason. This one, guys. Okay, this one. I have 507 shard, but I still keep buying on that one even though I already maxed out. It's because you can sell it for gold. As you can see, 507 shard is equivalent to 10,140 gold. So if you're lacking in gold, you can sell this one if it's emergency, if you really need it. But I'm still saving this one because during the joyous celebration event, because of my luck, I set off 10 fireworks and I managed to get 88,000 gold. So that was luck. But be sure to save this fireworks cracker, can be saved for the next event. I forgot the rotation of this event. I think firecracker, then the next is the tree. I forgot. But so that's one of the purpose. That's one of the reason why I save some item shards. Also this one, guys. Or was it this one? If you already max one, you can actually sell some of this. But don't sell this one if it's not max yet. So this one, it's better to save this one, guys. Just use it if needed. Golden dragonfish, this will unlock during 45 days of the server. Dragon win contest. Maybe next video or content, I'll be showing you some dragon win contests. Fishing ground turmoil, I'll try showing you that one. So okay, I'll show you this one. The tactics, you can actually level for it. It requires this one. So I recommend you to save at least 500 of this one essence flame and 30 of this. But if you are still far away from your goal, just refine it first, because you can still reset it for only 100. So unless you have all the requirements needed, just use the items. If you want to get some gold from this one and also this one, so I'll show you around from awaken. Where's the awaken? Soul forge, martial soul. So this one, guys, the last awaken, this requires shard of the hero. For example, Lobo. So every time you awaken it from this one, from block 1, 2, 3, and 4, it requires Lobo shard and hero XP. And the last awaken is this one, 800 martial soul. So that's all, guys. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy the video and please hit subscribe.